Hello there. Faith PH here. I'm here to help you how to edit your videos in mobile phone. Using this powerful editing application in Android. If you are using iOS phone it's just the same. In the last video, we explained the basic part of the Kinemaster. For better understanding, I would like you to check out first, the part 1 of this video, as it is the second part of the tutorial. Link in the description. This video is good for beginners. If you want to make good videos, to get 1 million views and 1 million subscribers, just watch this until the very end of this videos. I will help you and you will help me too. Let's grow together. And also I want to let you know that I'm not good enough in English, so correct me if I'm wrong. So no further ado, let's get started. This is your home page. In the right area is your previous projects. To create new project, just tap the circle in the middle. You can choose your aspect ratio. If you are creating a YouTube video, choose 16:9 aspect ratio. After choosing your aspect ratio, the top area it will show you your media browser automatically. In the below area is your timeline. At the meantime we don't have anything in our timeline. Let's import clip in our timeline. To add more videos, tap media and it will show you your media browser again. As you can see we have 3 dots in the top left side. If you tap this 3 dots, it will show you 2 choices. If you tap this it will show only your photos. If you tap this, it will show only videos. Tap here to exit. If you want to make some cuts to your videos, just tap your clip. Tap the scissor, it will show you 4 choices. If you tap trim to left play head, it will cut your clip from your starting point to left. If you tap trim to right play head, it will cut your clip from your starting point to right. If you tap split at playhead, it will split your clip. If you tap split and insert freeze frame, it will split your clip and insert freeze frame in the middle. If you tap your clip again, and tap this, it will show your pan and zoom, where you can change the start position and end position of your clip. If you tap this equal button, it will copy the position of the highlighted position. This audio button is where you can make adjustment of your audio volume. If you tap clip graphics, it will show you effects that you can put in the highlighted object in your project. You can also put clip graphics to your layers. If you don't have any clip graphics, just tap this button to download. Let's put clip graphics. Now we have clip graphics effect. You can also adjust the start and end position of your clip graphics. You can also change the speed of your clip. You can make it more faster or make it slow-mo. You can also mute your clip or keep pitch. You can reverse your clip by tapping this button. You can rotate your clip if you want. If you tap this, it will show you many filters that you can use in your project. After choosing your filter, if you scroll down, tap this to apply the filter to all your videos automatically. Tap here to make some color grading to your clip. If you scroll down, tap here to apply to all videos. EQ, volume envelope, reverb, voice changer that you can use for your audio to make changes. If you turn on vignette, it will give you a circle mask in your clip, as you can see. If you tap the extract audio, it will mute your video automatically and separate your audio as a layer. If you tap this, it will change the type of this area to grid. Tap here to go back to original. To add background music to your project, click Audio button. It will show you the music from your device. Scroll down and you can see your audio files to make you easier to find your music to use in your project. Tap your chosen music and tap this to add in your timeline. If you want to music from Kinemaster, tap here. If you don't have any music yet, you can download by tapping this button. Choose and tap download to download. Tap here to exit. To add a video or images as a layer, just tap layer then tap media. It will bring you to your media browser. We have now a video as a layer, for example. If you want to make it full screen, you have two ways. Tap this and drag it until fill the screen. The second way, just tap this and tap this, it will automatically fill the screen. You can add in, out, or overall animation to all your layers. Tap here to crop your videos of images in your layer. But note, you can't use cropping if your videos or images in your project is in split mode. To make cropping works, just turn off the split screen. Now it works. Turn on the mask to choose shape. You can adjust the feather if you want. If you want to add some effects to your project, tap layer and tap effect. It will show you all the effects that you downloaded. But if you don't have any effects, tap here to go to Effect Asset Store. Let's put effect in our project, for example. If you want to apply the effect to all your videos, just tap the effect and drag it in the area you want to apply the effect. You can also make cuts to your effect if you want. To add text to your project, tap layer then tap text. Now you can type your text here. If you want to change the font of your text, tap this. You can download more fonts by tapping here. To change the color of your text, tap this. You can put in, out, and overall animation to your text. Just the same to the effect. If you want to apply your text to all your videos, just tap again your text layer and drag it. You can make some cuts to your text. You can adjust the capacity. You can make adjustment to your text by tapping this. If you change the character of your text, you can see there's a changes. You can add outline to your text. You can change also the color, and you can make some adjustment to your outline. You can add shadow to your text. You can change the color of the shadow. You can make adjustments also to your shadow. You can add glow effect to your text. You can change the color of glow effect. You can make more adjustment to glow effect. You can add background to your text by tapping this. You can change the color of background. If you turn on the full width background, it looks like this. To adjust the size of your text, just tap this and drag it. If you want to add sticker to your project, just tap layer then tap sticker. If you don't have any stickers, tap here to download. Next, the handwriting. This is how it works. You can change what type of handwriting you want. You can change the color. Also, you can change the size. To put the handwriting to your project, tap the area you want and drag it. It looks like this. This asset is good for highlighting in your projects. You can also put animation. Next, if you tap this button, it will show you 3 different choices. Let me explain how it works and explain the difference. The capture and save. If you tap this, it will capture what is in your screen and save to your files. Capture and add as clip. If you tap this, it will capture what is in your screen and it will add as a clip in your project, as you can see. Capture and add as a layer. It will capture what is in your screen and it will add to your project but as a layer, as you can see. Now you can differentiate the 3 assets and now you know how it works. Thank me later. Next, if you tap one of your main video or image in your project, as you can see 3 dots will show here. If you tap this, it will show you 2 different choices, duplicate and duplicate as a layer. If you don't know yet how it works, let me explain. But if you know already, you can skip this part. Now if you tap duplicate, it will copy the highlighted video or image to your project and add as a clip. Duplicate is a layer. If you tap this, it will copy the highlighted video or image to your project and add as a layer. Now you know how it's work and what is the difference. Now you are in 99.9% for being pro editor in this app. You can thank me in the comment section. Now let's jump into the next part of this tutorial. If you tap video, image, text, sticker, effect and handwriting to your layer. There is 3 dot will show here again. To let you duplicate, bring to front, bring forward, send backward, send to back, center horizontally and center vertically, of the highlighted object layer to your project. But if you tap your music in your project it will let you duplicate only your music. If you tap this key button, it will add key point in your start position automatically. Let me show you how it works. For example, I want to animate this arrow. If I will move this arrow in a certain area it will add key point in my arrow layer.
We all still, if it's still in heart, take them like they're ours, then we'll leave our scars.
If you play it, it looks like this. It will move to area where you add key point. To delete key point, go to key point that you want to delete and tap this minus.
Oh, that's just how the story goes. A minute we're young, then we get old. And if it's all over soon, then why should I care? Long as I got a hand to hold, a minute is worth its weight in gold.
Now you know how it works. Next, if you tap this setting button it will show you audio, video and editing. Tap audio, to turn on audio fade in fade out. Tap video, to turn on video fade in fade out. And if you play at your project, it looks like this. This is example.
We all still, if it's still
It will add fade in fade out in your project and also to your music background. Tap editing to adjust your default duration of photo clip. And adjust the default duration of your layer. Last part of this video tutorial is how to put transition to your project. To put transition to your videos, tap this plus button between 2 videos and it will bring you automatically to the transition assets. If you don't have any transition you can download in the asset store. By tapping this button, now you can download tons of amazing transition here. You can change here the speed of your transition. But sometimes we encounter this, the plus button will not show. To fix that, just scale out your timeline until the plus button will show. To export your project, tap this button and it will bring you here. Choose your video resolution and frame rate. Then tap export to save your project. That's all for this video. I hope you understand and you have learned something in this tutorial. If you have any question you're free to comment below. Don't forget to like my video and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and click notification bell if you don't want to miss anything. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.